What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to introduce LIBERA, traffic film removal by LIBERA. First we need to understand what is a TFR and why is it essential in modern detailing. Well, every day your car is being exposed to smog, industrial dust, fuel residues, oil, grease, road salt and atmospheric particles.
These contaminants create a road film, an invisible but highly adhesive layer that penetrates the bodywork so deeply that it cannot be completely removed with a simple pre-wash.
To solve this problem, traffic film removers, or TFRs, were developed. These products are especially designed to dissolve and remove this layer of contamination in the pre-wash stage. Main goal to reduce the risk of scratching during contact washing. However, in the detailing industry, TFRs have always been viewed with skepticism. The current market problem, TFRs are seen as aggressive products in the car care industry. Those TFRs traditionally have been associated with harsh caustic formulas. The products available on the market fall into two main categories. The one is the caustic TFRs, extremely powerful and capable of dissolving even the most stubborn dirt. However, their aggressiveness comes at a cost.
They can compromise aluminum trims, molding, waxes, sealants, and even PPF films, leaving the surface exposed to external elements.
Less aggressive TFRs, safer for protected surfaces, but often not powerful enough to remove stubborn road film and heavy contamination. As a result, detailers have generally avoided traditional TFRs, opting instead for safer products to ensure they do not compromise the protective treatments applied to these vehicles. But the problem of the persistency in a road film remained. That's why the new solution until now, Primus, was truly a good pre-wash, but missing a dedicated TFR. Primus, thanks to its advanced formulation, has not only been extremely versatile as a pre-wash, but often has been used in a spray mode to resolve or to dissolve road films and tough contamination.
Primus 2.0 has changed the way pre-wash is done, offering a product that is safe on waxes, sealants and coatings, while still delivering good cleaning power. However, when dealing with dirt that is more stubbornly bonded to the surface, such as the gray film caused by heavy industrial contamination, its actions was not always sufficient. Many detailing professionals faced a choice: either use Primus 2.0 safely, but with limited effectiveness on certain types of dirt, or resort to the more aggressive TFRs, risking damage to protective layers or aluminum trims.
And this is exactly why LIBERA was created. Our challenge was clear: to create a TFR with the power of a caustic product, but safety of a premium pre-wash like Primus. LIBERA is the solution that breaks down the rules of detailing, again, like LIBERA always does.
As powerful as traditional TFR, but completely safe on PPF, sealants, ceramic coatings and even on aluminum trims.
And also VDA graduated formula. The guarantee of the maximum safety for these delicate surfaces became to life. We made customizable dilutions for many situations to adapt to any cleaning need. You got 1:1 to 1:5 for heavy grime and oily films, and then from 1:5 to 1:10 for your moderate normal dirt.
Advanced surfactants specifically formulated to dry much more slowly than the traditional spray-applied TFRs, maximizing contact time with dirt without leaving dry residues.
So why is drying speed so important?
One of the main issues with traditional TFRs is that they tend to dry too quickly on the surface, precisely because they are spray applied, increasing the risks of stains and streaks that are difficult to remove. LIBERA, on the other hand, has been designed to keep the surface wet for longer, ensuring deeper and more uniform action without compromising existing protections or moldings.
Especially perfect for glossy and matte PPF. Why? Because PPFs, or paint protection films, are becoming more increasingly popular in the detailing world. However, one of their main challenges is they tend to absorb dirt more than a standard paint. How that's possible is because of the substrate itself, making it harder to remove contaminants without the right cleaning product. Many aggressive TFRs on the market can degrade or both stain glossy and matte PPFs, causing unwanted surface alterations that we definitely don't want.
LIBERA doesn't rely on micelles like conventional cleaners. Its strength lies in next-generation surfactants, highly selective and scientifically engineered to work with ultra-low alkalinity. Powerful, yet respectful of every surface. That is exactly what sets it apart. LIBERA delivers a deep, thorough cleaning without compromising even the most delicate materials. Surfaces like polished aluminum stay flawless, where traditional TFRs often cause damage. And this is not just marketing talk, it's a proven fact. LIBERA has earned VDA certifications, without shortcuts, without exceptions. Today, no other TFR combines this level of safety and performance in a single formula. Only LIBERA does. LIBERA, not just a product, a bold statement.
LIBERA's non-aggressive yet powerful formula ensures that raw film and oily residues are completely removed without affecting the integrity of the film. Now there comes the question, when and how should I use LIBERA? LIBERA should be used before the pre-wash, as in the pre-wash. Nah, that's the joke.
Ensure the vehicle is in the shade and the surface is cool. Apply LIBERA generously using a pressure pump sprayer, not a simple trigger spray, onto the dry bodywork, working from the bottom to the top. Let it dwell for 2 to 6 minutes, making sure it does not dry. Rinse thoroughly with high pressure water.
To summarize, with LIBERA we have eliminated the trade-off between power and safety, providing you with a product that removes the toughest grime while preserving treated surfaces. Then comes the question, Reggie, what does LIBERA mean? Now, ladies and gentlemen, LIBERA means free. To free from contaminants, grease, oil, smog, from your most delicate protected surfaces, from ceramic coating, paint, wheels and even PPF, giving you a full cycle of the newest addition to the Labo Cosmetica family, traffic film remover by the name of LIBERA. My name is Reggie Cox. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Labo Cosmetica.